In the ever-evolving world of online retail, Amazon sellers are constantly on the lookout for tools that can give them an edge in a highly competitive market. The debate between Jungle Scout versus Helium 10 has been a hot topic among sellers seeking to maximize their business potential on Amazon. This video delves into a comprehensive comparison of Jungle Scout and Helium 10, aiming to provide clarity and guidance to both new and experienced Amazon sellers on which tool best suits their business needs. And by the way, if you would like to sign up to either Jungle Scout or Helium 10, for your convenience, I left my affiliate link to both websites down in the description of this video. Clicking on my links doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. Getting accurate sales estimates and picking the right keywords are key to doing well on Amazon. Jungle Scout is ahead of the game with a sales estimate accuracy of 84.1%. This makes it less risky for sellers when they decide on how much stock to buy. Its accuracy is 14% better than Helium 10's, giving sellers a stronger base for choosing products. Jungle Scout's Keyword Scout tool is only off by 10.93% from Amazon's own data, which is much better than Helium 10's Magnet tool that misses the mark by 58.38%. This big difference in accuracy can really impact how visible your product is on Amazon and how well it sells. If your product isn't easy to find because of poor keyword choices, you could lose sales. So, Jungle Scout's superior accuracy can help sellers make better choices, potentially leading to more sales. Looking at what Jungle Scout and Helium 10 offer, Jungle Scout has some standout features. Its global supplier database and opportunity score tools give sellers insights into how reliable suppliers are and how likely a product is to do well. Jungle Scout also uses AI in several tools like helping to optimize product listings and analyzing reviews. This can save sellers a lot of time and give them useful insights. On the other hand, Helium 10's PPC automation tool is a big help for sellers who use Amazon ads to boost their products. Even though Helium 10 doesn't have some of Jungle Scout's features, its PPC tool is valuable for sellers who want to get their products noticed through advertising. Both platforms have their strengths, but Jungle Scout's extra features might make it more appealing for sellers looking for detailed insights and time-saving tools. When it comes to using Jungle Scout or Helium 10, how easy and enjoyable they are to use is really important. Each platform is designed to make the selling process smoother. Jungle Scout's home dashboard immediately shows sellers how their business is doing, making it easier to understand lots of data quickly. Helium 10's black box tool is great for finding products to sell, but it might take a bit of time to get used to it. This tool is advanced and can do a lot, but you need to know how to use it to get the most out of it. Whether you like Jungle Scout's straightforward approach or Helium 10's in-depth tools better will depend on what you're looking for. Both platforms aim to help sellers succeed on Amazon, but they offer different experiences. Choosing between them might come down to whether you prefer a quick overview of your business or like to dive deep into a product research. The cost of tools is important for any business, and when you look at what you get for your money, Jungle Scout is a better deal. It starts at $49 a month for the basic plan and goes up to $129 a month for the professional plan, offering a wide range of tools for sellers at each level. On the other hand, Helium 10's starter plan costs less but doesn't give you as much. What makes Jungle Scout especially good is its Suite plan. This plan gives you almost full access to all of Jungle Scout's advanced tools for a lower price than similar plans from Helium 10. So for sellers deciding based on price, Jungle Scout offers more features and value, making it a smart choice for those looking to invest in their Amazon business. Customer support and educational resources are areas where Jungle Scout truly excels. With 24/7 customer support staffed by experienced Amazon sellers and an extensive library of educational content through its academy, Jungle Scout ensures that sellers have the knowledge and support needed to succeed. Helium 10 also offers educational resources, but Jungle Scout's commitment to seller education and support is unmatched in the industry. In terms of customer support and community resources, Jungle Scout outperforms Helium 10, offering top-rated customer support and a wealth of free educational content accessible to all sellers. This dedication to supporting the seller community is evident in Jungle Scout's high customer satisfaction ratings and its commitment to philanthropy, including significant donations to charity. Jungle Scout offers API access, which is a special feature not found in many other tools. This lets sellers and developers make their own tools using Jungle Scout's data. It's a great option for people who know a lot about technology and want to tailor Jungle Scout's powerful data to their specific needs. Helium 10 doesn't offer this feature, which means Jungle Scout stands out for sellers looking for customization and integration capabilities. Having API access can really help sellers who are serious about building a unique and efficient workflow, showing once again why Jungle Scout can be the better tool for tech-savvy users and developers interested in Amazon selling. Jungle Scout is not just any tool. It's built on real experience and know-how from selling on Amazon. Created by Amazon sellers for Amazon sellers, it's packed with insights and features that meet real needs. Greg Mercer, the creator of Jungle Scout, is himself an Amazon seller who has made millions. His experiences and the challenges he faced are baked into Jungle Scout, making it deeply relevant to what Amazon sellers go through. This background means Jungle Scout is more than just software. It's a platform designed with an understanding of the seller's journey on Amazon. For sellers looking for a tool that truly gets the intricacies of selling on Amazon, Jungle Scout's foundation in real-world selling expertise makes it a compelling choice. Now, when comparing Jungle Scout and Helium 10 based on customer reviews, Jungle Scout's higher Trustpilot rating reflects its superior customer satisfaction and platform efficiency. Sellers appreciate Jungle Scout's comprehensive feature set, ease of use, and exceptional support, factors that are critical to success in the competitive Amazon marketplace. In conclusion, while both Jungle Scout and Helium 10 offer powerful functionalities for Amazon sellers, Jungle Scout stands out for its higher data accuracy, comprehensive feature set, superior customer support, and extensive educational resources. Whether you're new to Amazon selling or looking to scale your existing business, Jungle Scout equips you with the tools and insights needed to succeed. As you consider your options, remember the importance of aligning your choice with your business's specific needs and goals. With the right platform, you can navigate the complexities of Amazon selling and achieve your business objectives. And don't forget that if you would like to sign up to either Jungle Scout or Helium 10, for your convenience, I left my affiliate links down in the description of this video. Clicking on my links doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me support the channel. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.